Our second offering on a Sunday afternoon, completing our Sunday doubleheader in your NCAA Season 99 Women's Volleyball Competition. And we start with this particular rally. Martin Javier with John Vic de Guzman taking you through this match. It is Pascual getting the check ball right away. So Benilde is first on the board. Bigyan lang natin ng konteksto itong laban na to. Of course, if Benilde wins, they stay undefeated in the season 7-0. But because of the loss of Perpetual earlier, nagtabla na po sa team standings natin ang Arellano at Perpetual. If Mapua wins this, magkakaroon na sila ng, kumbaga, one game advantage over those teams. At importante yon, lalong-lalo na, papasok tayo sa huling linggo ng ating eliminations.
And I'm sure, Martin, itong mga teams na ito, nagpipick to pataas. Yeah. Lalo na pagpalapit ng palapit yung semifinals para makita natin kung sino ba yung top 4 teams na maglalaro para sa semifinals match natin sa NCAA.
Ano pala, week and a half pala. Huling week and a half ng ating elimination round. This is a push from Raisa Ricablanca who scored 19 points against Letran. So, it's good to see Mapua on the board off an attack. Frian Garcia.
A very impressive player to see. Blanca and
with the help of the net, a service ace from another rookie scorer in Frian Garcia.
Alam mo, ito yung nakakatuwa kay Coach Esteban dahil the way siya halo-halo ng players kung paano niya imimix yung system na ginagawa niya. Yeah. Effective even with with rookie players like Garcia and Ricablanca.
Back-to-back aces for Frian Garcia. And this is hard to do against a solid receiving team like Benilde.
Well, actually, ito talaga yung unang kailangan mong i-develop sa team mo pagkalaban mo, Benilde. Considering na malakas umatake itong team na to at ang dami nilang options, just like that.
That was Willin Estoque or Wewe Estoque able to score on this put down. Mabilis na bawi mula sa Lady Blazers.
Hindi mo sila pwedeng bigyan ng mahinang serve, Martin. Ang daming kayang gawin nitong si Mondoñedo para dun sa mga spikers niya.
Kailangan pahirapan mo. First ball pa lang. Speaking of first ball, difficult one. This is denied. So the blocking of the Lady Blazers working right there. That was Gil Pascual.
Another good thing dito sa Benilde, hindi lang sila malakas sa iisa, hindi lang sila malakas sa atake, malakas din sila sa floor defense, meron silang blockings, malakas ang service nila.
This is an all-around. That's why they are the back-to-back defending champions. And Benilde with 3 straight points. Now they overtake Mapua here in set number 1.
Alam mo, nakaka-receive naman yung Mapua eh. Meron silang magandang set, nakaka-atake lang. Kaso yung coverage ang nagkukulang dito para sa Mapua team.
So now it's back-to-back kill blocks for the Lady Blazers. Ito, faulty reception again from the Lady Cardinals. Lady Blazers have a chance. Estoque off the block. 5-3 now for Benilde.
Another point para kay Estoque. Ano sinasabi natin? Pag nawalan ng receive ang Benilde, pag hindi man perfect yung pass na, yung kumbaga first ball nila, alam mo, malaki pa rin yung percentage ng mga attackers nila. Even the outside hitters na kumuha ng puntos.
Pero makakahinga dito ang Mapua Lady Cardinals. That's a service error para dito kay Zam Nolasco. Pero ganun kabilis makapuntos itong Lady Blazers, di ba? Napikit ka lang ng konti, 4 na sunod-sunod na. Mondoñedo, combination for Estoque. Dug up. Ricablanca. Kept up by Cloan. Here's Pascual. Denied. Ball is still alive though. Getigan sends it to Mapua side. Gohol. Pabiera. Nakaabang yung blockers. Gohol. Back set this time. Ricablanca. Dug up by Cloan. Estoque tries. Overpass. And it is taken care of by Mitch Gamit.
Sobrang haba ng rally, ang daming defense, ang daming palo. But still, kung sino yung nakafocus doon, gaya nitong ginawa ni Gamit, ang bilis nung mata niya, no?
Narigaluhan doon si Mitch Gamit off the overpass. Pero Cloan also kept the ball alive after that Ricablanca hit. De La Cruz, not over. So ito yung kailangan iwasan. Kung nag-survive ang Mapua, against Letran. Actually, they beat Letran with the 44 errors that they had. Against Benilde, hindi pwede mangyari.
Hindi pwede. Yan yung iiwasan natin pagkalaban natin Benilde. Yeah. Considering na the most consistent player dito sa team dito sa NCAA. Hindi mo sila pwedeng bigyan ng mga libreng puntos.
And we have reached our first technical timeout. The Lady Blazers are surging ahead. On the other side of the break, it's the first report of Miss Arlov de Jesus.
I want to add the face of the NCAA. I dare say.
Lakas maka James Yap nung vibe ni Clint.
Bro,
steady lang.
Yeah, it had to be Clint, no? Yeah. Because of Clint's story coming back to the NCAA. This is where he came from in high school. And now we're starting this new platform. So Clint, maraming salamat for the time. It's great to see you again. Last time we saw you, last time Martin and I saw you, you were in the crowd.
The chance to talk to Raisa Ricablanca from the Mapua Lady Cardinals. Sabi niya sa akin na talagang nahirapan daw sila sa simula. Pero ngayon, nakikita daw nila at nararamdaman nila na nakakabalik na daw sila at nakapag-bounce back. Talagang onting push pa daw at pag-aaral dito sa laro nila. At they even break the winning streak of the Lady Knights, kaya sobrang saya daw nila. Dagdag pa ni Raisa na biglaan daw yung paglalaro niya ng volleyball kasi sinamahan niya lang daw yung pinsan niya sa Batangas. On the side of the Lady Blazers naman, the two-time defending champions and their 5th sweep victory this season. They told me that their game against San Sebastian was disappointing kasi ang dami raw nilang errors at yung mga errors daw nila, yun na raw yung nagagawa na nila. Pabalik sa inyo, Martin and John Vic.
Thank you so much, Arlov. Alam mo, para sa Benilde, sa standard sila. Sige, pakinggan muna natin si Coach Eng.
Tibay rin ang depensa eh. Hindi ang gawin natin, ipagalawin natin yung bola natin para gumalaw din yung depensa nila. Inaabangan lang yung bola natin eh. So, gawa natin ng paraan. Okay, Chok, pabilisin mo na konti yung set mo. Atakin mo na atakin. Kung na-block, tibay na lang tayo sa coverage. Tapos, retrieve lang tayo na retrieve. Hanggang sa makuha natin yung time po natin.
Walang in-intro ka niya.
Okay, pag-usapan muna natin itong timeout na to. Nag-stand out sa akin yung instruction ni Coach Aying. This is for Trixie Gohol, yung setter nila. Pabilisin niya yung mga set niya. Kasi ang tangkad nitong Benilde Lady Blazers.
And one of the best blocking teams dito sa NCAA ang Benilde. Hindi pwedeng mabagal yung set.
That's right.
Alam mo, yan yung nakakatuwa dito sa volleyball natin, sa Philippine volleyball natin, Martin. Kasi unti-unting nag-i-improve yung system. At kung paano nila, alam mo yun, kung paano nila gawa ng paraan yung mga tall blockers natin.
That's right.
Bumabawi sila sa attack, sa speed. And yun yung gustong instruction ni Coach Esteban para sa Papua.
We've seen that kind of improvement dito sa NCAA mismo as Ricablanca scores on the ace. Yan yung ni-report kanina ni Arlov, of course, Raisa. Tama naman, aksidenteng napasama lang.
Totoo.
Mas nakapaglaro na ng volleyball. You know, she's on a different level. She's coming from one of the best high school programs in the country sa Adamson. Now she is with Mapua leading the way in her rookie season.
Alam mo, Martin, naniniwala pa rin ako na ang player kahit sobrang late mo nang nag-start, kung ang mindset mo is kakaiba, kumbaga, you double time, nag-training ka mabuti, wala, maraming pwede mangyari.
That's right. Parang ito. Willen Estoque is on a roll here in set number 1. She has been having her way against the defense of the Lady Cardinals. At ito pa, pati sa service. Berses, kakapasok lang. De La Cruz, tag up by Estoque. Dorog, easy up for Basbas. They go to the back row. Nandun si Pascual. Dorog tries. It is popped up by Rebustes. Two-handed push, not gonna work. Mondoñedo with a 1-2. Quick thinking by Cloan.
Yeah. Alam mo, si Cloan, parang meron siyang third eye, no? Na nakikita niya, kahit nakatalikod siya. Nakikita niya yung buong court nung pinaglalaruan ng Mapua. Kung saan, alam mo yun, alam niya anytime kung kailan siya magda-drop ball.
Hindi naman mga espiritu yung nakikita ni Cloan. Yung mga ano lang, yung mga indepensa ng Mapua.
And another service ace.
Wow, Wewe Estoque now scoring from the service line. Kanina puro atake. Ngayon service ace naman. She has 4 points, I think, here in set number 1. De La Cruz catching the line at the back.
Kanino pa nagtatry itong si De La Cruz makapuntos, and this time, naging successful yung first point niya yata to, no? Yeah.
Kanina kasi nabablock siya. De La Cruz had 14 points against Letran. Mondoñedo. Oh, gamit. That one was dug up by Basbas. Perses off speed. Sarado. Gamit. Dorog. Nandun si Rica Blanca. Back row hit for De La Cruz. And she scores again. That's back-to-back for Roxy.
Well, sa side ng Mapua, ang kailangan lang nilang gawin, umanap sila ng paraan kasi ang ganda ng depensa ng Benil, Martin. Hindi mo basta-basta malalampagan ng malalakas na palo. So I think gamitin nila yung mga kamay ng mga blockers para mas mapadali for them na pumuntos.
Cloan. Her 1-2 is red. Perses, inangguluhan. Ketigan was right there to dig it up. Oh, Estoque from the back.
Wow!
Bihira ko siya makita sa likod. 5 puntos na para kay Willin Estoque.
May points sa front line, may points sa service, meron points sa back row.
Difficult first pass. Perses though, able to put it through. This is a chance for Mapua. Gohol, the quick. Nolasco, inangat. Perses will swing. Mondoñedo brings it to Dorog. Sobra.
Outside.
9-13, the Lady Cardinals are trying to chip away. Sinusubukan kapitan itong Lady Blazers.
Yeah. Ang kailangan lang gawin dito, Martin, ng Mapua is dikitan yung score ng Benil. Kasi sabi ko nga, nothing is impossible sa world ng volleyball.
Kumbaga hanggang dulo, no?
Oo.
Nakipagpalitan ka lang. Pero si Zam Nolasco.
Yeah. I think may touch net muna bago bumagsak yung bola.
Okay. So 10-13 is our tally. Yeah, it's Mapua's service.
As long as Martin, as long as hindi pa bumababa yung bola at nag-commit ka ng touch net, or maybe yung paa mo nag-cross dun sa line,
yun ang itatawag ng ating referee. Nolasco, pinabawi. Nandun si Ong. And Nicole Ong with the kill block.
Yeah.
That's our top blocker in the league, Nicole Ong. She is up to 19 kill blocks. Now her 20th kill block in season 99.
I saw her last season. Ibang klase. Yung kung paano siya magbasa ng bola.
Yeah. Oh, just like that. Pero Rumolyo. Jessa Dorog. Able to put it through. Ayan o. Nandun yung mga kamay niya, pero hindi bumalik sa kabila. 2 attack points already for Cruan. It's rare that we flash the attack points of a setter. But here's Nicole Ong. Ganito pa babawiin ni Gohol. Itong si Nicole.
Martin, 2 points na lang inahabol ng Mapua dito.
How about the fight back of the Lady Cardinals?
Well, I think kanina, kung napapansin ko, Martin, si Babiera at itong si Gohol, parang I don't think hindi sila nagko-connect pag nagbibigay siya ng quick Unlike itong si Ong, first time niyang binigyan, iba pa rin yung
Ito si Gail Pascual, able to swing.
Yun.
And ito si Pascual this season, talagang alam niya kung kailan siya pupuntos. Talagang if they need a point, she delivers. Raisa Rica Blanca also does that for Mapua. 13-15 now is our score.
What a great attack para dito kay Rica Blanca. Tingnan mo yung extension ng arms niya.
Yeah.
Halos nasa ibabaw na ng mga blockers ng Benil yung palo nitong si Rica Blanca.
Good dig, good first pass from Dorog. Pascual again! Well, that's been unstoppable since she entered the league. And she gives Benil the 3-point lead. Let's go to a quick break. Big break yun, yung sa Abra. And again, you know, you're working with professional players, makababa na. Okay,
yung coach nila is a former Mapua Cardinal player, Coach Tantan Banal. So,
Jonathan Banal,
nakikita natin si Coach Tantan was with
Tantan.
Coach Chito during the season.
Aha.
Kaya very active sila that part of the alumni support ng team ng Mapua.
Tsaka loaded ang team mo dun.
Loaded talaga. Yun, we have the Mactalios, yun, sila Prince Capiral.
Balik sa ating laban. It is NCAA Season 99 on your television screens. Remaining games para sa Lady Cardinals. Of course, including this one, they still have LPU and San Beda.
Yeah. Oo, medyo mabigat-bigat pa yung pagdadaanan nila bago sila makahinga na maluwag dito, Martin. And I'm sure, itong mga players and teams dito sa NCAA, lahat sila pataas dahil naghahabol sila ng panalo.
Marami pa nga tayong tablang record sa gitna ng ating team standing. So, the Final Four is not yet set. Nicole Ong! Off the timeout. The technical timeout, that is. Look at the activation by Nicole.
Well, at least itong si Bohol, alam na alam niyang basahin yung mga blockers ng Benilde. Kasi I think itong quicker ng Mapua at ang quicker ng Benilde, one-on-one na lang sila pagdating sa first ball.
Good pass from Dorog again. Back set, Pascual. Naabangan na ni Berses. Rica Blanca. Ketigan was there. They go to Gamit, who goes low on the quick.
Medyo mababa dun yung set ni Cloan to Gamit. It's the reason why not over ang palo.
Yeah. So Nicole Ong serves again. It is 15-16. Mapua is able to get to within one against the defending champions. Mondoñedo, Gamit. Perses again with the dig. Here's the underhand setup. Oh! Roxy De La Cruz ties it up.
Ito na, Martin. Yung sinasabi natin nung nag-start tong game na to, itong first set. Walang imposible kung didikitan mo lang di ba?
Ito na, napabalasan na si Coach Jerry as we take a look at that attack from Roxy. Even, that's one of the best diggers in the liga. Ito si Jessa Dorog.
Yeah.
Nahirapan doon. Nagbalasan na si Coach Jerry. I think it's Apostol who came in earlier. Yeah, Corinne Apostol is now in the match. Quick tip, pancake by Nicole Ong. De La Cruz gives Mapua the lead. We gotta check. Half of that point should belong to Nicole Ong. The middle blocker with the pancake. Save. And then De La Cruz
4-0 run
through.
4-0 run na para dito sa Mapua.
Abante na ang Lady Cardinals. Estoque! Wow! Down the line. Bounce ball mula dito kay Wewe Estoque, who now has 6 points in the match.
Medyo may bigat at may konting galit yung palo na yon, Martin.
Mainit ngayon si Estoque.
Oo.
Gohol. Babiera. Nandun si Gitigan sa likod. Estoque this time with the drop. Easy read. De La Cruz. It's alive. They go back to Willin. And she puts it down. She is a scoring machine today. Willin Estoque.
Unstoppable. Estoque for this first set. And alam niya kung saan niya ilalagay yung yung bola.
Oh, Babiera! Wow! Mapua doing a great job in staying with Benilde. That's Babs Babiera taking care of the single coverage. Rica Blanca with a sharp serve. Estoque rises again. Basbas was there for the dig. De La Cruz na Abuelo. Ketigan again with the dig. They head to Willin. Drop ball. It works. It's another point for Willin Estoque.
Medyo nagugulo na yung defense ng Mapua kapag si Estoque yung pumapalo.
Micah, go on your screens. Former NCAA MVP.
The former captain.
9 points now for this young lady who is at the service line. Willin Estoque, 9 of the 19 of Benilde so far galing dito kay Estoque. Scramble. Okay. Bante dalawa.
Make it 10 point.
10 points now. My goodness. The eruption here by Wilin Estoque is making a huge difference.
Okay, so dahan-dahan lang, angat lang. Ba't nagmadali ka doon? Dahil papunta sa katawan mo? So di dahan-dahan lang, angat mo lang. Hindi mo naman ang kailangan i-set yun. Kailangan i-retrieve mo lang. Tapos reset lang tayo. Depensa ulit tayo, block ulit tayo. Pero hindi kailangan madali. Huwag madali. Dahan-dahan lang. Dalawa lang yan. Kunin natin yan.
Tara! Hailey, di Cardinal!
Will Martin, sa totoo lang, tama yung sinasabi ni Coach Esteban. Sumasabay naman sila kahit papano, nakaka-atake sila. Kung atake yung binild, meron naman silang counter. Kaso yun nga lang, parang nararatel itong Mapua.
Yeah.
Lalo na papunta dito sa may end part nating first set.
Nagpalit kanina ng dalawa si Coach Aying. So it's Manarang who is serving as his setter now. De La Cruz. Mondoñedo. Oh, saved by Manarang. It is Perses with the free ball. Cloan to Gamit. Perses with a dig. De La Cruz will try. Estoque saves it. Apostol putting it through.
Yeah.
21-18, the Lady Blazers are ahead.
Alam mo Martin, ang kulang na dito sa Mapua, sa napapansin ko yung defense nila.
Yeah.
Even the defense pattern, yung defense nila sa net, yung blockings nila, medyo nagulo na.
Oh, De La Cruz went for the swipe out. Pero pumasok. Itong kill block ng Benild. Let's take a look at that again. Good intention. Magluan was there. And it went in on the return. Estoque. De La Cruz. Sobra. Yeah, it's the late set push that's affecting Mapua now. Wilin Estoque is still at the service line.
Medyo nasasayangan ako dun Martin sa 4-0 run nila kanina. Nakahabol na sila but this time parang wala. 6-1 run.
6-1 run.
6-1 run.
Itong Benild. 7-1 now. And it is Benild now at set point 24-18. Wilin Estoque has been the difference maker so far with 10 points.
Grabe siya.
De La Cruz. And again, it's her defense as well. Pascual. That one goes out. So that enables Mapua to save one set point. Roxy De La Cruz to start. Diretso kay Gitigan yun. Back set to the running Mitch Gamit. And she ends set number 1. The Lady Blazers with a quick recovery. In our opening set, it was back and forth to start. The Lady Blazers had the final say. Gamit with a put down, and it is Benild with a 1-0 lead in the match.